What's happening, everyone? My name is Adrian. This is Ronald.
Hey guys.
We're in Ronald's set 3 today. Sadly, the video is not going to be about his set 3, but today we're going to pick up a car. And Ronald, are you excited?
Just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit.
All right, cool. All right, we're going to go straight away and go pick up the car now. We want to get there on time, so let's get going. So here it is. Here's the car. Ronald, so you've had a quick look. What do you think so far, Ronald?
For the price we paid for the car, which we will disclose a little bit later, not too shabby actually. So we're just going to go around the car now and just have a look at some of the things we just need to be aware of.
Alright, paperwork is all done. Ronald is happily looking around the vehicle. Once he's all done, we need to arrange for the delivery of the car, as it doesn't have an MOT and it also has a gear shifting issue as well. Cool. So we're at Ronald's. We received delivery of the car. We couldn't drive it back to Ronald's, mainly because the car doesn't have an MOT and there's a gear shift issue as well. As you can see, it's a Mark IV Golf, and specifically a Mark IV Golf GTI. It's the 2-litre version, because I think there was another 1.8 turbo version, but this is just a 2-litre version. I think it's just under or around 120 brake horsepower. So the price, we paid £450 for the car, and as it's at the price of £450, we know already that it's not going to be perfect. The problems that we know so far is that the gear shift, there's some issues with it going into gear. It's missing a passenger side window, and it's the bonnet catch is missing, so we'll have to address that as well. But the main problems is because of the gear shift issue and missing the passenger side window. Once we have that sorted, we can get the car MOT'd and we can address all the other small little problems that we know of with the car. Alright, Ronald, would you do me the honours and start the car up for the first time, please? Hey! Oh, and the exhaust does this. So, in our next video, we're going to go over a few things, as in like what other problems we found with the car. So we're going to lift up the car, going to run some diagnostics, and find out if there's any other concerns that we need to fix with the car. We're going to give the car a quick wash before we get inside as well, because the car is filthy as well. So in the next video we'll catch up and let you know what's going on, and hopefully we would have started on some work in the car as well. Alright, so if you're enjoying the content, please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. I will see you next week. Bye bye.